Rocky Branch Creek, a stream in NC State's campus. This was once the most polluted stream in North Carolina back in the 90s, and since our restoration practices that we'll talk about today, it is now not the most polluted.
There are multiple methods involved in stream restoration, and many of these methods are implemented at Rocky Branch Creek. Today we're going to talk about 3 common methods used, including a riparian buffer, a floodplain, and rock formations. So a riparian buffer is an area next to or near a stream that allows the water to infiltrate the ground and also prevents erosion along the banks of the stream. This method is commonly used in areas where there's a lot of water runoff and pollution from the water on roads or nearby agricultural areas. The water is able to enter the ground and is filtered before entering the stream, improving the stream's water quality. Now, these methods are usually shown in 3 different ways, including vegetation along the stream, man-made poles or stakes, and green infrastructure between a walkway or a road next to a stream.
So Rocky Branch Creek is notoriously next to this walkway, which has green infrastructure to allow the water to infiltrate before entering the stream.
The second restoration technique is floodplains. Floodplains surround the banks of a stream or river. Floodplains are similar to riparian buffers as they both work to help water infiltrate the ground before entering the stream. Below you can see the cross-section of a stream at different stages. In the first cross-section, you can see an example of a stream at normal capacity. In the middle cross-section, we have a stream during flooding where the water has flowed over the banks and into the floodplain. After flooding, you can see that the nutrients and sediment deposited in the floodplain is removed from the water, resulting in better water quality.
This is a floodplain that is part of Rocky Branch Creek. This fills with water when large thunderstorms come through and cause flooding in the main stream.
Now we reach the third type of water quality benefit practice called rock formations. Today we'll be discussing 2 different types of rock formations, one being cross veins, the other being J-hooks. These rock formations are used to slow down water and prevent erosion. A cross vein is in the shape of a C and reaches across the stream. This is a cross vein. This cross vein is quite massive and there's a couple in succession down the line, and each one is used to help slow down the flow of the water as it goes down this hill, thus slowing down the erosion process and improving water quality. A J-hook is in the shape of a J and branches off of one side of the stream.
This is an example of a J-hook diverting water from the banks of the stream and creating a pool for aquatic species.
Cross veins and J-hooks have many benefits to water quality. One being they divert water from the stream into the center, making pools for aquatic life, and they decrease water erosion where the rock formations are placed along that stream bank.
Riparian buffers, floodplains, and rock formations are only a few of the restoration techniques used. In fact, there are many other restoration techniques used in the field today. The purpose of all restoration techniques is to improve the water quality of the stream and create a healthy stream. In fact, there are many more restoration
This is part of Rocky Branch's